Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. Today we'll explain how to adjust the corner difference of the weighing system by using the GMT-X4 in combination mode. In the 4-channel combination mode, the GMT-X4 integrates the junction box function. The 4 channels are directly connected to the weighing platform, allowing you to complete corner difference adjustment easily through simple operations on the instrument. There are 2 steps for corner difference adjustment. 1. Corner difference reset. 2. Corner difference sampling. First, let's perform the corner difference reset. If it is the first time adjusting the corner difference, you can skip this step and proceed directly to corner difference sampling. From the main interface, press Enter to access the menu. Press the down key to select 6 angle correct, then press Enter. Press the down key again to select 6.3 correct reset. Input the initial password 60 and enter the reset interface. Press Enter to reset. Once Reset OK appears, return to the Angle Correct menu. Next, perform the corner difference sampling. Press the up key to select 6.2 correct sample. The indicator will prompt you to clear the weighing scale. Please ensure the scale is empty, then press Enter to proceed. Place a weight on corner 1 of the scale. When the stable indicator is on, press Enter to take the sample. Repeat the same operation for the remaining 3 corners until the system prompts Sample Done. If the sampling is performed before the weight stabilizes, the system will prompt Sample Not Stable. After completing the 4-corner sampling, return to the main interface. Place the weight on each corner and at the center of the platform to confirm that the displayed weights are consistent. In general, follow the above steps for corner difference adjustment. However, if you already know the deviation values of your weighing system, you can also manually enter the correction coefficients according to actual conditions. That's all for the corner difference adjustment using the GMT-X4. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how to improve weighing accuracy by using the weight correction coefficient feature of the GMT-X4.